Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create the short Simpson video and it will only use the one picture. How is that possible? So don't worry guys, because we will use Pixverse to help us transform the picture into the Simpson video. So without any further ado, and let's get into it. So the first step you need to do is install this Pixverse from the Play Store or the App Store if you are the user of the iPhone or the iOS. And you can simply open it, and also don't forget to do the sign up or sign in or logged in into your Google account. So this application will earn you several credit over here to do the creation. And I will go to the template over here. Then I will choose this select option and I will type Simpson. I will searching for it. As you can see, this application will provide you the template to change your picture to become the Simpson animation or Simpson video. Then I will select this template, and after that it will automatically direct you into the gallery, and this gallery you can select the favorite picture that you would like to transform from the picture to become the Simpson homie effect or animation over here. And as you can see, this effect or this Simpson homie will need 20 credit to do the generation. And since we have 40 credits left, so it will be enough to do the generation. Then I will continue to generate it. Click the create button, and it will take you a while to wait for the generation. And you can simply explore more what the template that you would like to explore and try. And you can also watch another people's creation in the homepage over here. And as you can see, we have the information or notification over here that our video is ready. So we will open it in the notification menu, and let's see the result. That's funny, right? So you can simply share this video into your favorite social media, or you can also download this video to save it into your gallery, or you can also change to become HD, but it will need the 60 to do the upscale. So that's all guys. Try yourself into your device and let us know if this tip and trick also work for you guys. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel to watch more on the tutorial videos. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.